See, I definitely want to respond to the "but why" gif right off the bat. Yeah, it's gonna come up. So I realized I'm going on this 40-hour road trip. What else can I do on this trip to make better use of the time? And maybe the 3D printer would work. It can just sit back there and print. But there are so many reasons that wouldn't work. Electrical, for instance, I'd probably need to run a wire to the battery. I'd like to give it its own power source. I'd want it to be chargeable by the car. This is ridiculous. No, I'm not doing it. I dare you. No, because even if I got the electrical figured out, I'd still have the VOC issues, the ultrafine particle issues. You can't just simply filter those. I need to... When you switch off the recirculating option and you bring in outside air, where does the air inside the car go? I guess I could get to know the car a little bit better, but no, I'm not taking a 3D printer anyway, so none of this matters. Why double dog dare you? No, it'd still have the vibrations of the car, the bumps, layer shift, print toppling over, layer bonding wouldn't be very good, thermal issues. I mean, you'd see every little bump in the prints. We're printing thermoplastics here, like it's plastic melted on plastic. There's no way a print would turn out anything decently well with even the tiniest of bumps. Are you really considering not doing this? Are you really okay with letting these ideas of solutions just rot on your mind? Have you thought about somebody beside yourself? The trolls of Reddit need you. And since when have you ever cared about but why? Since when? I mean, the LED candle, that was ridiculous. The KitchenAid sander, that was ridiculous too. I feel like I don't know you anymore. Ah, man. Negative 13 degrees Celsius. I feel like I'm not getting the full thrill of pretend race car driving.